Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Mentari.
My name is Alvira,
My name is Amira.
and now we're going to show you guys the detail of the famous Alun-Alun Surabaya.
Alun-Alun Surabaya is a tourist complex in Surabaya, East Java, Jalan Gubernur Suryon, number 15 Embong Kaliasin. Inside this complex there is a history building which is now known as Balai Pemuda, whose existence is currently protected by the Surabaya city government. Some other destinations in this complex include an underground museum, Balai Budaya Building Public Library. Its operating hours start from 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. And to enter the alun-alun area, there is no fee required.
Now, let's start with the public library like here. You can spot it by the sign that says Perpustakaan Umum Kota Surabaya. There are also many other buildings here that people use for different kinds of activities. And guess what? There's a mosque called Masjid As-Sakinah. And now, there's an event held by Bariti Cup International 2025. And lastly, we have the Balai Pemuda building. It's similar to the others, used for gatherings, community activities, and more.
Alright, now I'm standing in front of the basement entrance of Alun-Alun Surabaya. This area is actually an underground museum that show photo and item from Surabaya, passed during the Dutch colonial era. Again, no entry fee. The entrance look really modern with a cool industrial design. You can see steel frame and tempered glass. There are also some pretty plants and fountain that make the outside area look really nice. Okay, that's enough of the outside. Let's head into the basement.
And now, I'm going to explain the details behind the historical things in here. Okay, so first, I'm going to tell you guys about this one, the Simpang Society. So, the Balai Pemuda complex cannot be separated from the history of the Simpang Society building, a gathering place for European or Dutch socialite workers in Surabaya. Built in 1907 with a mix of Neo-Gothic, Renaissance, and classical Romanian architectural designed by Waka Westmace. Enjoying dinner is a common thing in the Simpangche Societe building. Dutch, British, and other European expatriate congregate in gatherings in the buildings, while most of us become cafe waiters, cooks, and also waiters. This furniture was used by the Simpangche Societe back then while they were doing dinner or maybe wedding ceremony and many other activities. And also, when you enter this museum, you will see a lot of picture frames that can capture Surabaya in past years.
Baik, selamat malam Kak.
Selamat malam.
Oke, maaf mengganggu waktunya, meminta waktunya sebentar. Sebelumnya tadi kan Kakak sudah datang ke sini menikmati banyak hal ya. Sebelumnya boleh perkenalkan dulu.
Saya perkenalkan, nama saya Ditya Ferry, asal saya dari Lamongan.
Baik, izin bertanya Kak, kira-kira gimana sih kesan pesan Kakak setelah Kakak masuk ke tempat ini? Mungkin tempatnya bagaimana atau bangunannya bagaimana, situasinya bagaimana? Boleh diberitahu Kak?
Kalau mengenai bangunannya, terus fasilitasnya di sini sangat baik ya, karena dingin juga, ada AC-nya juga, dan tempatnya itu bersih.
Baik, terima kasih Kak. Maaf mengganggu waktunya. Terima kasih banyak.
Oke, jadi teman-teman, sekarang aku udah ada di area luar alun-alun. Dan sekarang aku lagi bersama Kak.
Halo, aku Kak Yoga.
Oke, jadi sekarang Kak Yoga, aku mau nanya, kira-kira menurut Kak Yoga itu alun-alun Surabaya ini cocok nggak sih buat dijadiin tempat buat siswa-siswa SMA ataupun SMP buat belajar?
Kalau dari aku sendiri ya, sebagai orang Surabaya asli, menurutku alun-alun Surabaya ini cocok banget sebagai ibaratnya kalau teman-teman pengen punya destinasi yang terkait dengan pembelajaran, kayaknya alun-alun ini salah satu destinasi yang cocok. Kenapa? Karena alun-alun ini yang pertama punya nilai sejarah dengan bangunan-bangunan lama. Terus yang kedua, teman-teman juga bisa belajar interaktif dengan di ruangan bawah tanah. Itu kan ada tempat kayak lukisan-lukisan gitu. Jadi teman-teman bisa lebih mengenal tentang seni gitu.
Oke, keren banget Kak jawabannya. Terima kasih ya.